Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making individual mini meatloaf. These meatloaves, guys, they are tender and juicy, easy to make and filled with flavor. Best of all is the perfect amount for one. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients, guys. You will need ground beef, onion soup mix, Italian seasoning. You'll also need diced onions, garlic powder, ketchup. You'll need 2 eggs because we are using 2 pounds of meat, black pepper, breadcrumbs. I'm using plain breadcrumbs, guys, Worcestershire sauce, and brown sugar. So let's get started. We're gonna start by combining all the ingredients. Into my meat, I'm gonna add Italian seasoning along with garlic powder, next we're gonna add this onion soup mix, add diced onions, black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, breadcrumbs, whisk the eggs and add it to the ground beef mixture. Next, we're gonna add ketchup, mix everything just until combined. Then I'm gonna switch to use my hands, mixing lightly but thoroughly. Place beef mixture into 6 cup standard mini loaf pan. Lightly patting beef mixture to level the top. Guys, this recipe is very easy to make and delicious. Make sure every time you make it, guys, you double the recipe. I bet you won't have leftovers. Repeat the same process until all the loaf pans are filled up. Let's move on and work on our brown sugar glaze. Combine brown sugar and ketchup. Mix thoroughly. You can also use a wire whisk, guys, it's easier. Spread the glaze over each meatloaf. This recipe is my family favorite, guys. Every time I make it, I never have leftovers. One thing I like about this recipe also is so easy to make, guys. The ketchup and brown sugar give these mini loaves a tangy flavor, a sweet and tangy flavor. Cover with the aluminum foil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. It's been 35 minutes. Our meatloaves are done, guys. Let me show you how they look. Perfect. You don't even need to remove the foil. You just bake them for 35 minutes and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I like to serve this with mashed potatoes or roasted vegetables, guys. I hope you'll try this recipe. If you do, please leave a comment down below. Share this video with your friends and your family. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time Mama Bui uploads her yummy recipes. Guys, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my